Hello, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to control your TV, your Samsung TV with your iPhone, and this is very easy. You can see I have like a little remote up here and I can just use this to move around. Now you want to be connected to the same Wi-Fi as your TV, so if I scroll up, just connect to Wi-Fi right here and make sure it's the same one as your TV, and then we want to go to the App Store and get something called SmartThings. So go down here and type in SmartThings, and this will be the Samsung TV app. And once we're signed in, we can connect our TV. So you can see all these different features on here. My TV is already connected, and you just want to go to the home screen here, and you can go on over to devices, and you should be able to find your TV under here, or just go to the plus icon. Now it's kind of annoying getting your account on here. You just have to be signed in, and once you do that, you can select your TV, and then you should be able to start using this as a remote. So you can scroll up, down, get a little voice icon on here. I don't know if this works. Let's try it out. Hello? I'm not sure. So just look at this and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.